Hi, this is Dr. Greg, and welcome to our final part 10 episode of How to Become a Dentist. And I'm real excited about this one because we're going to talk about graduating from dental school. I thought I'd put this in because this is where I'm trying to get you to dental school, to graduate, to actually become a dentist. Um, Now, let's talk about this for a second. Um, wow. Congratulations. You're graduating from dental school. And I know you're not graduating from dental school yet, but I'm trying to give you a look into the future. What it would feel like to graduate from dental school. You have your cap and gown on, and you're going to receive your dental degree. You're going to be a doctor in dental medicine. And the potential you will have at that point to serve your community and serve your fellow man and to provide for your family, and the sense of accomplishment you will have on that day is really overwhelming. It's a great thing. It's an incredible blessing. The amount of hard work and the whole road that you've taken up to this point, this will be the fruit of your labor. But it's only the start. That's why they call it commencement. It's only the beginning. But on this day, you've got to stop and smell the roses. Look what you've accomplished, the skills that you have learned, the specialized knowledge that you've attained, and the potential that you have on this particular day of graduating from dental school. Makes it all worth it. It's a great investment of the time and the money that you would have spent at this point. So you go to graduation, and is it over? Of course not. Like I said, it's the beginning. But this is really the sweet part, is that now you have options. Now you have a degree that no one can take away from you. Now you have knowledge that no one can take away from you. And you're one of, we're talking about the United States, you'll be one of 200,000 people who can call themselves a dentist. But you will now need to take your clinical boards, if you haven't taken them before graduation. And that's can be tough depending on what state you go. Each state has a different requirement and a different aspect of the board exam. I know in my state, Pennsylvania, it was a 2-day exam, and we had 4 different parts. But you need to pass your board exam, and it's very passable. Some people will fail a section, and that's not the worst thing in the world, of course. You want to pass it on your first try. But there are some variables that happen on the board exam that can be out of your control. So it's not the worst thing in the world, but you need to pass it in order to get your license. So you pass your, I was in the Northeast, so I took the Northeast regional boards. If you're down south in Florida or something like that, you would have to take the Southeast regional boards, and then you will get your, you will have the ability then to apply for a license in any of the northeastern states. If you take the Northeast regional boards or the Southeast regional boards, you can get your license in any of those states that honor that exam. You will also need to get malpractice insurance. This is very important to protect you and protect your patients and protect your practice. And you have choices, okay? You hopefully you've taken seriously what your vision for your dental career could be, and so at this point of graduation, you have a pretty good idea of where you want to go. You can go into a general practice residency in a hospital, which is a good place to go. I know some that go into the service and become a dentist in the Navy or the Army or the Air Force, which is a good option. And I also know of some that have gone back to become professors and teach back in the school, or you can go into one of the specialties that we talked about. But it's a very exciting time, and I really encourage you to develop this vision of what you want to do after dental school. Align yourself up with other dentists. Go to other specialists. Talk to the armed forces and see what your options are. But once you graduate, the sky is the limit. You are in the position to do great things for, like I said, yourself, your family, your community, and really feel good about it. So I really encourage you to stay with it. You can do it. If I can help you at any time in the future, please contact me. I really appreciate you joining us for these 10 little videos that we put together for how to become a dentist, and I hope it's been helpful for you. Thank you.